Hi, my name's Kerry Badham and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our brand new Fairytale Motifs large tappet. These are fantastic designs. You get 4 on the tappet. You have a princess castle, a wand, you have a fairy tale horse which you can also make as a pony or a unicorn, and you also have a princess dress. The great thing about this tappet is it's very easy to use, very quick to produce effective decorations, and they sit perfectly on a cupcake or a cake. Here we have our cake we've made to demonstrate the brand new Fairytale Motifs. We have the princess dress, we have the castle, we have the fairy tale pony, and we also have the princess wand. And these fairy tale motifs work great with other products we've already got in the FMM range, and that includes the tiara set. This is the mini tiara, and we also have the butterfly and the princess shoe from the Child's Play set. The paste we recommend that you use to make your fairy tale motifs is modelling paste. You can buy modelling paste or you can make it yourself by using a fondant and some Tylo, or it can be called CMC or gum trag. So I just put a little bit on my mat. You can use an exact ratio, but I just use a little bit as I go along. Exact ratio would be 1/4 teaspoon to 250 grams of fondant. So I knead it in and you'll start to feel your paste firm up. Once you've kneaded it all in, then what I do is I wrap it in some cling film and leave it for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Preferably make it the night before, and then in the morning you can get straight on using a perfect consistency of paste. I'm now going to demonstrate how to use the large fairy tale motif tappet. I've rolled out my modelling paste, turned it over, and then I've left it sit for a while, so it's got quite a nice dry top. The reason why we do this is it gives you a nice clean cut, but it also stops the paste from sticking in your tappet. If it sticks in your tappet, it's either too thick or it's too sticky. So we're going to place it on top, apply an even amount of pressure across the whole of the tappet, because you want to be picking up all the embossed detail, because that is what saves you time. Coming out already. So I go across the back with my finger and then I tap it out, and it gives you a lovely embossed design. I'll just pick the one up here from the board, and as you can see, I've decorated the peaks of the castle and the little tiny hearts on the door with some edible gold dust and clear alcohol. I'm now going to show you how to make the princess dress. So just as before, place it on top, apply pressure across the whole motif, slide it around your board, remove the excess, inside to get the embossing, and then I tap it out. So as you can see on my princess dress, I've got the 2 different colours. So what I then did was took a piece of blue modelling paste on the top, slide it around the board, exactly the same, remove the excess, cut out and take it out. And then I use my knife and scriber tool. If you push this really hard in the tappet, you can just break the section off, but it's just as easy to do this. And then just using a water pen, just attach the top with water. And they're very effective, very easy to use, And here I've just painted the tiny heart in gold. We also have the fairytale horse on top. But you can make this a pony if you wanted to. So you could do it in the browns, and you could give a black mane or a darker brown mane on a white horse. We've also made a unicorn with it. And then again we've made the fairytale one with the light blue and white theme. And we've given him little gold hoofs at the bottom, again with the edible gold dust. So here's the full set: the princess dress, the fairytale wand, which again matches in with the princess carriage and the tiara. It has exactly the same design embellishment on top. We have the fairytale castle, and we have the fairytale pony. Thank you for watching our video. You can find our other videos to make the tiara, the princess carriage, the child's play tappet on our YouTube channel.